How to turn on or off do not disturb mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to turn on or off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. You just have to swipe down the notification bar from the right to access the control center, and there you'll see the focus option. Just tap on it and there you'll see do not disturb. So tap on it to toggle it on, and if you want to toggle it off, you just have to tap on it again. It's as simple as that. However, if you can't find the focus mode on a control center, then you can add it. I'll teach you how. You just have to press on a blank space of the control center and then tap on add a control on the bottom, and then here search for focus. If you can't find it, you can just go to the search controls option and search for focus and then add it. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.